Hello. Question 4 in your AS level Edexcel from June 2022. So you have a triangle. The sides are given in terms of x, one angle that you know and one angle that you don't know. You have to show this relation between this equation for x. I would say your first reaction should be always to think in cos rule or sine rule for this type of questions. We cannot use the sine rule because only we know one angle and we need a connection between the sides. So we know this angle here, we can use the cos rule. The cos rule applied to this angle is going to be the opposite side to the angle that I know. So this one squared is, I can write here briefly. So if we know angle A is going to be a squared is b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of the angle that I know. Yeah, so always the same letter here and here, the cos and the side that is opposite. So a squared is going to be 3x plus 10 squared is going to be, and see that your answer or what you are looking for is the squared, so that means that we are surely doing well. B squared is 7x squared and the other side is x plus 2 squared minus 2 times b is 7x, c is x plus 2, and then cos 16. Cos 16 is 1/2, so we can cancel this 1/2 with these 2, and then we are just going to expand the brackets now. So 3x plus 10 squared is 9x squared plus 60x plus 100, 49x squared plus, I'm just expanding the brackets, x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 7x squared minus 14x. Yeah, and now we reorganize. So we are going to put everything on the right. So we have the x squared positive. So we have 49x squared minus 7x squared minus 9x squared is 34x squared. Then x, I have 4x minus 14x minus 60x is minus 70x. And I have plus 4 minus 100 minus 96. And now I can simplify. So divide by 2, I have 17x squared minus 35x minus 48 equals 0, which is what I need to prove. Yeah? So that's the first part. Then hence find the value of x. So we just need to solve that quadratic equation. We can factorize, and then we have x minus 3 is 17. I'm not going to do it because it takes a while and you know how to do this. And then we get two values, x is 3 or x is minus 16 over 17. X is a length, so it cannot be negative. So this one is not giving me any solution. My value is going to be this one, x equal 3. Yeah. B. Hence, find the value of theta, giving your answer to one decimal place. So now, as we have x, we are able to find any of the sides. And we need to find this angle here, and we know this angle. So we can use, for example, the sine rule. Sine of this angle divided by this side, and this side is going to be 3 plus 2, 5. It's going to be sine of this angle divided by this one. And this one is going to be 3 times 3 plus 10, 19. Yeah, so my sine rule, and I would mention that you are using that, so using the sine rule, you have sine theta divided by 5, we say, is sine 60 divided by 19. Yeah, and from here you find sine theta, and you do sine minus 1 in the calculator. Be sure that it's in degrees because that's what they give you the angles in. Yeah, so 60 degrees, theta degrees, and then theta is 13.2 to one decimal place, and that's your answer. Yeah, that's all with this exam question.